A balance sheet. What is that? What can you use it for? How will you use it if you are a small business owner or an employee? How can you use that to be able to know how many units of stock to have so that you don't run out of stock during a pandemic or when you launch a new product? Who will you pick if you don't have enough products to sell? All clients or new clients? This is how we're going to learn this material. First, this is not as boring as you think it is. We learn what is a balance sheet, why would you want to use one, and 5 steps to be able to read any balance sheet. We'll then use it to read the balance sheet from Apple, Disney, Estee Lauder, and then learn how to make our own balance sheet using, again, the example of Jenny, who runs a shoe business on the side. We'll go through each one of the transactions she made during the week: payables, inventory, cash, and then equity transactions. We'll also learn how to handle the issue if you have to decide whether to accept credit cards and pay taxes or only accept cash payments. And then what would you do if you don't have enough product to sell and you have many clients who want to buy your product? Would you prioritize all clients or new clients? At the end of this class, you will make a number of recommendations as part of the assignment to explain to others how would you have made all these decisions that we discussed in the session.